Hi everyone, I'm Raki and I'm the Partnerships Manager here at B1G1. I wanted to record this quick video tutorial for you to share more information about the global impact widgets we have available. Now, what you'll be able to see is that this particular widget is broken down into 6 of the most popular categories that we have, which is water, education, trees planted, days of medical care provided, nourishing meals, and days of shelter. Now, the really great thing is if you have given to any of these project categories before, all of your impacts will be tracked and they'll also show up right here. This particular widget comes in 3 different styles. So if you click on the Customize button, you're able to select which style you want to use and embed onto your website. This is the first one. If I click on style 2, you'll be able to see the second one. And then you've got the third one here, which is a numbers only counter. Now, this is really great if you want to embed the impact counter onto your website, but create your own messaging and wording around it. All of the widgets, similar to our other ones, have further customizable options which enable you to choose the colors, the font size that you want to select. Now, this makes it really great to match the widget with your own business's brand. It's very, very simple to embed onto your website. All you need to do is click on the toggle here, and this will successfully copy the code, which you can then paste onto the HTML of the web page you want to feature this impact widget onto. And the easiest and fastest way to grow the number of impacts that you want to create is through our B1G1 global projects. You can click on the global projects here, and these projects act as different bundles for each category. And there are multiple projects within each bundle, which enables you to create even more impacts across a variety of different projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to either myself or anybody on the B1G1 team. Thanks so much for watching.